OnePay Credit Builder sounds almost too good to be true. Use a secured credit building account, make regular payments, and potentially build your credit history without taking on traditional credit card debt. The important part is this: OnePay Credit Builder is not a scam. It's a legitimate credit building product designed to help users establish or improve their credit profile through reported payment activity. The appeal is obvious. You're not getting a huge credit limit that you can accidentally destroy your finances with. Instead, the focus is on building consistent payment history. But there's a catch. Credit building services are only useful if you actually make payments on time, and you should always check the fees, account requirements, and exactly which credit bureaus receive the report. So, one pay credit builder is legit, but it's not magic. If you have limited or poor credit and need help building a positive payment history, it could be useful. But if you have already good credit, you may find cheaper or simpler ways to maintain it.